Update naman po no sa ating cruise ship. Actually, we have already received no or welcomed 3 cruise ships ng dito sa Boracay. We have 2 for month of January, then sa February meron po tayong 1 na na-welcome noong February 5. So supposedly meron din po sana tayong i-welcome na cruise ship arrival no yesterday, February 19, but unfortunately no due to the weather condition kasi medyo malakas po yung ating hangin dito sa isla ng Boracay, as well as hindi din po ganun kaganda yung condition ng ating water sea level, na-cancel po yung ating cruise ship arrival na scheduled po on February 19, which is yesterday po. So, ina-expect po natin yung next na cruise ship arrival natin will be on March 5, no? So, meron po tayong nakaschedule na 3 cruise ships na darating sa Boracay this month of March or next month, no? The first one will be on March 5. Then the next one po is on 11 and then 23. So, hopefully, maging maganda po yung ating weather dito sa Boracay Island para po continue din po no or matuloy po yung mga nakascheduled na cruise ship na magbibisita or bibisita dito sa ating isla ng Boracay.